Welcome to the Italian Dolomites, the most beautiful mountains in the world. Why? Well, wonderful lush valleys, big vertical walls, incredibly sharp pinnacles, and a lot of these tiny little cabins. In Italian, we call them Bivacco. These structures are mainly built for emergencies or for those who need a shelter on a multi-day adventure. And I've been to a lot of them, but there's one that is so remote and secluded that only attracts a handful of mountaineers every year. It's called Bivacco dei Mascabroni, in the heart of Sexten Dolomites. But this is not just another spectacular place. It's a true piece of local history, holding a story that has to be told. We are in 1915. Dolomites were trapped in the First World War, and Italian soldiers were fighting against the Austrians high up in the mountains. This is Capitan Sala. He was ordered to conquer a mountain pass, Passo della Sentinella, and the only way to do it was to build a military post on the other side of this mountain, Cima Undici, and prepare to assault the enemy by surprising them from above. But it was winter, and building a military post at 3,000 meters was no easy task. It took weeks of hard work in the snow and ice, but finally, the Capitan and his soldiers, called I Mascabroni, managed to build a hut on a little ledge, right below the pinnacles of Cima Undici, and spent 2 long months there, surviving snowstorms, avalanches, and extreme cold. And in memory of these strong people, brave victims of their own times, in the 60s this little cabin was built, allowing us to explore and stare at these incredible mountains, surrounded by peace.
Alright, we've been hiking for around 1 hour. We're getting inside this beautiful valley. I'm with Daniel, local photographer, pilot. Check him out, amazing stuff. So yeah, let's hope we're gonna find better weather than the last time I was there.
In the middle of the fog.
Let this adventure begin.
As I said, I'm not new to this area. A couple years ago I spent a night in my tent on top of Cresta Zigmondi, a big flat mountaintop around 30 minutes before the bivouac. And even if weather was not by my side, this magical corner of Dolomites got me hooked, and I had to come back. The most common question I get about my adventures is, how do you find all these incredible places? Well, the only real answer is a lot of planning and research, and that's when Opera comes to help. Opera is a browser that I've been using for quite a while now, and I've been really enjoying it. I spend so much time on my laptop, looking for new cool routes, checking multiple weather forecasts, and planning my next adventures. So having a browser that allows me to be efficient is super important. For example, I usually open millions of tabs, and here they can be sorted into tab islands that can be collapsed and expanded when needed, so I can just divide them by topic with one click. Another cool feature that comes to help is Aria, an integrated browser AI that can solve pretty much any question you have. It can also generate and recognize images. And it's truly impressive. I can also have my WhatsApp chat, Instagram and music in this sidebar, so I can keep track of everything I need into a single window. And the cool thing is that Opera is free, so you should just give it a try. The link to download is down in the description. Now, let's keep hiking.
So we left the main trail and we're going towards our goal. I remember this valley we're going into as one of the most beautiful I've ever seen. We are on these big snowy fields that actually never melt. Even in summer, some of the snow here stays. And we are going up on that couloir for a bit and then left. Fun fact, the last time I started to climb down there, 30 meters lower. Okay, let this wall begin. Okay, we are back in the sun, out of the sketchy part for now, and just 100 meters from the ridgeline. And I'm so happy to see this incredible landscape again. Cresta Zigmondi. Figata, eh? Now to the bivouac. So beautiful. Okay, Bivacco dei Mascabroni. Figata, figata, figata. Wow. Incredibile.
Netflix 3.0.
Let's go inside. Alright, this is it. Super cute, 6 beds, a little table, a couple of chairs, pots and pans, little stove. These are our beers. Overall, it's pretty well maintained, super warm inside, and yeah, looks like we're gonna have a super warm night. And with this view, isn't it incredible?
Viva! Cheers with the view!
One of the most incredible spots in the Dolomites, for sure. Okay, I must say I'm quite tired. The way up has been long, not super exhausting, but still like, I think 6 hours up, I guess. So yeah, I need some sleep. And I can't wait for tomorrow. So the plan for tomorrow is to go back to the ridge for sunrise and then hopefully take off with our paragliders and go down the easy way. I'm super excited. Buonanotte.
Buonanotte.
Okay, it's time to leave this amazing place. Bivacco Mascabroni, it was a pleasure. Sun is coming. What a beautiful day. And the wind is perfect.
And staring at the sun hitting these pinnacles and saddles and steep couloirs, my mind couldn't stop thinking of those soldiers, most of them around my age, risking their lives to conquer a few meters more in a useless and brutal war. It got me thinking, what would they be doing if they live now? Who would they become if they weren't forced to that destiny? Would they enjoy climbing mountains? Would they enjoy spending a night under the stars, staring at the beautiful sunrise and flying down with a paraglider? I'd like to think they would. Just like us.
Daniel, ready? Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Ale! Yeepa! Ale! Ben fatta. Che figata. Figata, 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 figata. Wow.
Grazie, grazie.
Due anni.
Alright, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I know it's been a lot of time since my last upload and I'm really sorry for that, but a lot of things happened in my life, so I kinda had to slow down for a bit, but now I'm back and I have so many videos ready to edit and release, and I couldn't be more happy to share new stuff with you. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment. It will really help a lot to make sure YouTube knows that I'm back here on YouTube and help the algorithm push this video again. So yeah, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next adventure.